Welcome to the Airside of Zurich Airport, the bustling part of the airport that passengers enter after passing through security. In this walking tour, we'll start from the duty-free shops and make our way toward Gate A, exploring the variety of shops, boutiques, and restaurants along the way. Zurich Airport, which opened in 1953 and has grown into Switzerland's largest international airport, is renowned for its efficiency, clean design, and traveler-friendly layout. Here in the Airside area, visitors can expect a wide range of offerings, from luxury Swiss brands to international favorites, as well as cafes and sit-down restaurants where you can grab a quick snack or enjoy a meal before your flight. Practical tips for travelers include short walking distances between shops and gates, clear signage, and helpful airport staff always nearby. Whether you're here to shop, dine, or just soak in the airport's modern atmosphere, the Airside of Zurich Airport offers a convenient and pleasant experience for both connecting passengers and those waiting for their flights.
Can we look at Swatch?
Sure. Okay.
Because I have Swatch at home.
Okay. Alright.
Al mismo vuelo que me está colocando.
So that's 60, that's 67. Yeah. And then I want, and if I get her, if she's not. Oh yeah. No, she won't be here. She has 2 artificial. Yeah. Okay. I will travel back to a day.
Baba.
Thanks for joining me on this walking tour of Zurich Airport's Airside, from the duty-free shops all the way to Gate A. I hope you enjoyed seeing the shops, restaurants, and all the practical tips for navigating this area. Your support means a lot, so please like, comment, and subscribe for more airport and travel walking tours. See you in the next video.